Hey there, Knolly Williams here, your success coach. And today, once again, we're studying from one of my favorite books, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. You know, today I want to talk about the decree method. Did you know that you can decree a thing and that it will come to pass? According to Scripture, if it's in the will of God, now if you're living your life in the divine order, the divine will of God, and you were fashioned, you were made, you were created after the image of God and the similitude, as Scripture says, of God, you can decree a thing and that thing will come to pass. There is power in your word, okay? And so today I want to talk about the decree method. It's so important for you to understand and learn this method as outlined by Dr. Joseph Murphy. So here's what Dr. Murphy says. He says, the decree method, power goes into our word according to the feeling and faith behind it. When we realize the power that moves the world is moving on our behalf and is backing up our word, our confidence and assurance grow. You do not try and add power to power. Therefore, there must be no mental striving, coercion, force, or mental wrestling. So think about that. The power that is backing up our word, that's the same power that backs up and holds together the world. Okay. And the other thing I like about this is he said there really is no coercion, force, or mental wrestling or wrangling. We don't have to get into all this force, okay, to make a thing happen, because there's power that is going to make that thing happen. The force is unnecessary. Now he goes on to say that a young girl used the decree method on a young man who was constantly phoning her, pressing her for dates, and meeting her at her place of business. She found it very difficult to get rid of him. She decreed as follows: I release unto God. He is in his true place at all times. I am free and he is free. I now decree that my words go forth into infinite mind and it brings it to pass. It is so. She said that he vanished and she has never seen him since, adding, it was as though the ground swallowed him up. In Job 22:28 says, Thou shalt also decree a thing, and it shall be established unto thee, and the light shall shine upon thy ways. That's Job 22:28. So in the book, Dr. Murphy gives us 12 ways, 12 little hints, 12 little ideas on how to decree a thing. So I want to share those with you right now. Number one, be a mental engineer and use tried and proven techniques in building a grander and greater life. Number two, your desire is your prayer. Picture the fulfillment of your desire now and feel its reality, and you will experience the joy of the answered prayer. 3. Desire to accomplish things the easy way with the sure aid of mental science. Number 4. You can build radiant health, success, and happiness by the thoughts you think in the hidden studio of your mind. Number 5. Experiment scientifically until you personally prove that there is always a direct response from the infinite intelligence of your subconscious mind to your conscious thinking. Number 6. Feel the joy and restfulness in foreseeing the certain accomplishment of your desire. Any mental picture that you have in your mind is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. Number 7. A mental picture is worth 1,000 words. Your subconscious will bring to pass any picture held in the mind, backed by faith. Number 8. Avoid all effort or mental coercion in prayer. Get into a sleepy, drowsy state and lull yourself to sleep, feeling and knowing that your prayer is answered. Number 9. Remember that the thankful heart is always close to the riches of the universe. Number 10, to affirm is to state that it is so, and as you affirm this attitude of mind as true, regardless of all evidence to the contrary, you will receive an answer to your prayer. Number 11, generate electronic waves of harmony, health, and peace by thinking of the love and the glory of God. And finally, number 12, what you decree and feel is true will come to pass. Decree harmony, health, peace, and abundance. Well, that's what I wanted to share with you today. I wanted to share with you 12 ways to decree, to use the decree method in your life every single day so that you can begin to bring things to pass. You know, every single thing in this realm, everything in this universe was brought to pass. It first existed in the mind, and then it was created. This chair, this book, okay, this necklace, this box right here of tissues, these were all thoughts in the mind. Every single book behind me, those lights up there, every single thing in this realm was first a thought in someone's mind, and then it became a reality. Okay, so remember, you can decree a thing, and you can have more power than you're currently enjoying. Hey, God bless you. I love you. I wish you peace, success. Share this with those that you love, and I will see you on the next one. God bless you.